We're now going to collect our cattle samples. To do that, we need a sample bag, a collection scoop and a pen to identify which mob we're testing. Now, we don't have to actually yard these animals. We can collect the sample from the paddock or the field. As long as we've got the equipment in the farm vehicle, it can be part of your routine work. Now, when we come to collect our samples, it's important that we collect them fresh. Now, we can do that by mustering the animals into a corner and allowing them to stand for 10 or 15 minutes. Or if an area where they're congregated, we can then walk through and collect fresh samples at that point. When you come to collect your samples, it's important that you only collect fresh samples. When you're undertaking a mob test, you want 15 to 20 samples collected from the mob, but don't select them on appearance. Not all worm burdens will create a scouring sample. When collecting your mob test, you need to take 3 measured scoops from different areas of the same sample and combine in the bag. To collect an individual sample, simply invert the bag over your hand and use it like a glove. Once you've picked it up, draw it back over your hand and the sample is now collected. Having collected our sample, it's important that we squeeze all the air out and seal the bag. And the reason for this is that parasite eggs require oxygen and temperature to develop. So by taking the air out and then putting the sample in the fridge, it will slow the egg development down. And these samples can remain in the fridge for up to a week before they need to be tested, so you don't have to do the test immediately. So in summary, the key points are: collect the sample fresh. Don't select on appearance, remove all the air out of the bag and seal it, and then keep the sample refrigerated until you're ready to test.